How to convert landscape video to portrait in CapCut. So if you want to convert landscape video to portrait in your CapCut, then first you need to open up your CapCut application. So as you can see that I have a landscape video. So in order to convert this landscape video to portrait, what you need to do is select the video. Once you've selected, here on the bottom, you will have an option of the ratio. So just swipe. Once you swipe here, you will have the aspect ratio. So tap on the aspect ratio and then you need to select 9:16 ratio. Once you've selected, then you will have the portrait option. You can just simply resize your video and go with the tick which is on the bottom right. And after that, if you want to remove the excess black area, then what you need to do is you will have a canvas option. You can just simply go with canvas, or background. You can go with background and then go with blur, and you can simply select the blur background. You can also adjust it and go with the tick, and that's it. That's how you can convert your landscape video to portrait in CapCut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.